All right, here we come to the elevators in the Cabana building at the Hilton Hotel and Conference Center in College Station, Texas. It's a Dover.
I'm gonna stand here until it comes. It's really hot and humid.
Yeah.
It's like 90% humidity in here.
Oh, we got the chimes. Awesome. I want to hear the chimes and also the motor going up.
Okay.
Same elevator cab like the main ones. One. We got a gold mine of Dovers.
I know.
Let's see if the indicator dings. No, it doesn't. Alright, let's be quiet and listen to the motor, shall we?
Sure, yeah.
Here we go.
I'm gonna get off at 2. You can continue filming if you want.
Alright, well, we'll go back down as well.
Okay.
Same cab like the hotel elevators.
Yeah.
Cut that yawn on camera.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
That's alright.
I'm just so tired.
That motor reminds me of the one at 13515 Southwest Freeway with the Otis Lexan.
Cool. Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
Alright, should close. There it goes.
And that's it.